Welcome. Today, we're diving into an updated guide on how to adjust your Pinterest settings to allow inbox messages from those you follow. This is a fantastic way to open yourself up to more connections and collaborations on the platform, so let's get started. First, open your Pinterest app on your mobile device. Once you're in, look for the saved icon at the bottom of your screen. Tap it, and then proceed to tap on your profile icon. This will take you straight to your Pinterest profile. Once you're on your profile, you need to find your way to the social permissions. Look for the settings option, which is usually represented by a gear icon. Tap on it to open up your account settings. Scroll down until you see social permissions and tap to enter this section. In the social permissions, you'll find several options related to how you interact with others on Pinterest. Look for message settings and tap on it. This is where you can control who can send you messages. Inside the message settings, you'll see different options for who can send you messages. To allow messages from people you follow, simply click on Following and choose Inbox. This means that only people you follow can send you direct messages. This setting can help filter out unwanted messages while still allowing you to connect with those whose content you appreciate. By selecting this option, you are more likely to engage in meaningful conversations and collaborations with fellow pinners who share your interests. It's a great way to build a community and expand your network on Pinterest. Don't forget that you can also send pins and messages via email to anyone, whether they are on Pinterest or not. Pinterest's messaging feature can increase the number of click-throughs, so messaging is definitely a feature worth investigating. To send a message, tap the send icon on the top of a pin. Alternatively, select the notifications icon next to your Pinterest profile name on the top right-hand corner and click Messages. Here, you'll also find any messages you've received in your inbox. So that's it. You've successfully updated your Pinterest settings to allow inbox messages from those you follow. This small change can make a big difference in fostering connections and collaborations on the platform. Take advantage of and experiment with engaging, raising awareness, and driving traffic to your website. Now you're all set to receive messages from the people you follow, opening up new opportunities for collaboration and inspiration. Happy pinning!